Hello! Today we're gonna talk about how to design a surgical guide after dual scan CT protocol in CoDiagnostiX. Let's get started! If you don't know me yet, welcome to my channel. I'm David, the Director of Guided Surgery Division in Real-Time, the lab. The office has scanned the patient with a dual scan protocol. As you can see here, we can see the radiographic marker there. So I already generate the segmentation for that radiographic marker. So after that denture has been aligned, gave us very important information. So one is where the teeth belong, and the second one is intaglio side of the denture.
Hey, there's only a denture file. There's no tissue model. Where can I design my surgical guide?
Follow me to the tips and tricks about how to make that. We go to the STL file, right click, and then hit Edit Mesh. So we will go into the mesh editor here. We need to digitally backport the denture, and I'm gonna show you how. So the first step is using the cutting tool and then select draw margin line. So let's start to draw the margin line. To close the loop, hit cut mesh along margin line. And then the computer will just separate two files. The green one is the teeth side, and the red one is the intaglio side of it. And then just click on the teeth side, and then we just successfully cut away the teeth side of the denture. But we're not done yet. We still have to flip it to do the digital backport, right? So to do that, let's go repair mesh, and then there's a function called invert mesh. Once you click it, ta-da! The soft tissue model has just been backported. It's cool, right? The next step is just to click Save as a copy. Alright, now the teal side is just the intaglio side of that denture, but we flip it. So it's not only the intaglio, but we just successfully backport the dual scan denture. Woo, nifty! So for this one, we're trying to design a overdenture for the patient. So I already planned where the implant is going to be, and then they were all parallel to each other, as you can see here. So which is great. And then we can double check again the trajectory for the restoration, and of course the restoration space right there. And we can even measure that, the vertical. Great, we got more than enough. So now the next step is to design the surgical guide itself. In CoDiagnostiX, we can still use the DAS guided sleeve for that. So to do that, select the sleeve, go to custom sleeve system, and then select the DAS sleeve. And here we're gonna use this as a regular one, as you can see here. And then that just attach all the sleeve to that. So now all sleeve has been attached, so we can turn off all the implant and just show the sleeve to double check if we hit anything on the soft tissue. If not, then life is good. So now we just need to proceed with guide design. So to do that, hit this item right here, and then just select the master model that we just created, the digital backport model there, and then we find for paths of insertion, something like that. Alright, so the guide just has been generated. So this part right here might get some the guided instrument might get caught on that. So I will use a inspection window there to make some clearance for the guided kit. To create some clearance for the guided instrument. That looks good. Alright. So now the guide has just been generated. Follow up with the exact same file with the intaglio side of the dual scan denture, but still it can sit on, you know, the soft tissue just like a denture. Put on the guide and then go for surgery. Thank you for watching, and now see you next time. Nifty.